Outside the Milimani Law Courts, a crowd gathered, chanting songs of solidarity as they waited for Morara Kebaso's release. They sang to castigate the government for what they termed as an abuse of power, calling for an end to arbitrary arrests and abductions.
Our children will kill them.
Upon his release, celebrations erupted. Morara and his supporters planned to head to Nairobi CBD to continue the celebrations. However, police blocked the motorcade from proceeding through the CBD. When the group attempted to force their way, police responded with tear gas, dispersing the crowd and forcing Morara and his supporters to flee. Despite the police intervention, the crowd regrouped in the CBD after a series of running battles, eventually gathering on Moi Avenue, where the 29-year-old activist briefly interacted with his supporters before speeding off. Fellow activists have condemned the government, accusing it of attempting to silence dissenting voices.
The police themselves have no respect for the law and the constitution. We are also going to follow suit. We're honestly going to follow this and what they're trying to set, an example they're trying to set for us. This is a country governed by the constitution and the law. They have no right whatsoever to be moving around like this, abducting people every single day. And we forget, we just keep going on. There's so much going on, we just keep forgetting and moving on to another issue.
And history shall not forget. History keeps reminding us that Dedan Kimathi was killed. Yes. And history shall still remind us that Rex Masai was killed, fighting for the justice of this country.
Yes. Yes.
History shall remind us that Morara Kebaso was arbitrarily abducted in his office.
Yes.
What have we done to you, William Ruto?
Nini.
What have we done to you?
Nini.
It is our civic and revolutionary duty to oversight whatever is going on in this country.
Morara was arrested on Monday at his offices on Thika Road and presented in court on Tuesday. He is accused of allegedly posting false information about David Langat on his X platform. The court released him on a 50,000 Kenya shillings cash bail with a hearing scheduled for October 4th, 2024.
The accused person is granted cash bail of Kenya shillings 50,000 with one contract person to appear before the court on 4th of October this year.
Brian Amoai, Ksh50, Nairobi.